Hi, this is Richard from On Demand Education. Today we're going to be talking about Siebel and gamification. For those of you who've been following, this is in fact episode 6 of a series on the ODE blog. The solution we're going to suggest today is to take an existing Siebel application, Siebel Loyalty, and analyze it to see whether it can fulfill some or all of the needs of a gamified CRM system. Let's get started. To familiarize or remind ourselves, Siebel Loyalty is made up of a number of key business components. Specifically, to begin with, there is the loyalty program. A loyalty program has loyalty program members, people attached to it. In this case, it would be our employees. In a more traditional sense, it would be your customers. There are other key objects such as tiers and tier classes. If you've ever been a member of a program where there are different levels, such as bronze, silver, and gold, you know exactly what tiers are. Then we have points. Points which come in sets of points for different reasons, point blocks as they call them, so that when you do something good, we can assign you some points. So far, so good. We are fulfilling at least 2 of the major visible markers of a gamified system, which is members' points and therefore leaderboards. What else can Siebel Loyalty provide us with? Siebel Loyalty also provides us with an engine called loyalty promotions. This has nothing to do with promotions in the product administration sense. Instead, promotions are a set of rules for your program. These rules can assign points when the user does something good. For example, if the user closes a service request in less than 20 minutes, give them 50 points if they're a bronze member, 100 points if they're a silver member, and 150 points if they're a gold member. There's a definite if-then going on here. This will enable us to motivate our players, motivate our users to continue playing by offering them the ability to progress up a leaderboard or attain other bonuses in a more tangible form. The promotions engine allows us also to implement the notion of redemption. When I have 1,000 points, I can redeem the 1,000 points for a free hamburger or a day off work, who knows? But there is definitely the ability to motivate the user through something other than intrinsic pleasure of working with Siebel. The power of the promotions engine is its ability to use attributes, fields that mean something to your business. Service request type, the number of minutes spent on a service request, the satisfaction before the service request was closed and the satisfaction after, whatever data makes sense to you, which can be exposed through your loyalty program in your loyalty promotion logic. There are several key issues which remain to be resolved, such as a typical loyalty program, a typical gamified program, will also include some user interface, such as badges, visual assistance, visual cues for the end user that gives them the impression of moving forward, of belonging, of wanting to attain another badge. It is true that the promotions engine offers the Siebel developer custom actions, so we could write a business service method to perhaps send an inbox message to the manager, and the inbox message can be approved and the loyalty program member receives some kind of special voucher or special printout. You may remember in a previous ODE blog session about gamification, we tested the ability of Siebel to let us create badges, and then we also looked at how we could use external badge providers. Next time, we'll be talking about Siebel using a social engagement tool to leverage Twitter and Facebook for delivering good customer service. In the meantime, thanks for watching and see you soon.